right, so in today's video, I want to break down 5 hacks that no one is talking about that's going to help you find your first or your next product faster and easier. These are products that can generate literally 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 plus per month. And if you're curious about how much of a product can you afford, what's the right product for you, what type of product or industry or category should you search in, then I will pin a video up above or down below that you can check out that will help you, that we literally just got done recording, that's gonna show you millionaire math. And this is gonna help you find your first or next product a lot easier. So first and foremost, I wanna start with the Date First Available tab. Now, we're using Jungle Scout. You're gonna need some type of software to navigate through the tens of millions of products that are listed on Amazon's library. We currently use Jungle Scout. Those guys have been awesome enough to give us a complimentary code for you guys. If you go to www.discountonjunglescout.com, you will get one of the lowest prices available on the software. There's tons of different softwares out there. They all do the same stuff. I've used Jungle Scout since I got started in 2015. It's one of the oldest, so I just trust them, right? But going to Jungle Scout or any other software tool, if you look at, you're gonna be looking for this tab right here that says Date First Available. Now, the reason why I like Date First Available is for one of two reasons. Number one, you can go back and put 5 years ago, you can literally go back several years on this time frame right here and change this time frame. Let's just put 2019. If the product has been selling since 2019 and it has decent amount of revenue, decent amount of monthly sales, then this means that the product has been selling, is selling, and more than likely is gonna continue to sell, right? And I'll give you some quick examples. Let's say that you wanna make 5,000 a month. You wanna write down a few different scenarios on your tablet or your piece of paper or whatever you're taking notes with, so that way you can play with these filters. We wanna make $5,000 a month. We can find a product that's selling 1,000 units per month at $5 net profit margin. That'll get us a quick $5,000 per month, right? Now, if the margin increases, the units can decrease. So if you wanna make $5,000 a month, you can do it a few ways. You can make higher margin or profit per product sold with lower amount of products sold or units sold, or higher volume of units sold with lower profit margin or profit per unit. That's pretty much the two variables that you're gonna look for. Now, you can also go to the last 3 months or the last 6 months. And what you're gonna look for when you're doing the last 3 months or last 6 months is you're gonna look for sales velocity and BSR, which is bestseller rank. Now, if it has a low BSR, because the higher the BSR, the worse it's selling, the lower the BSR or the closer to 1, the more it's gonna be selling, the more volume it's gonna be getting. If it has a high BSR or under 10,000 BSR in a competitive industry, and it has a decent amount of search volume as well as sales, monthly sales, then you can tell that this is a product that's gonna do very, very well. Now, I'll give you an additional tip. Before you consider launching this product, go over to Google Trends, which is a free tool, and type in that search term or that search phrase that you found and see if it has any historical data. Now, if it's something that you've never heard before, something that you've never heard of or you've never used and you don't think that it's been selling, will sell, and continue to sell, that's a quick red flag because it may be a trending product that's getting a lot of velocity or views from TikTok. Not saying you can't squeeze the lemon while it's available and squeeze the juice from the lemon, but me personally, I like products that have been selling, are selling, and will continue to sell for multiple years. So moving on to hack number 2, this is the reverse engineering strategy. This is my personal favorite, and I've often joked about this over and over and over again. If I had one product research strategy that I could only use and I had one day to find a product, this would be my go-to strategy. And the reverse engineer strategy is very simple. You're going to deliberately try to find a product that you know that you couldn't launch, that it would be too competitive or too saturated, or you wouldn't have the appetite for the budget for launching the product because it would need $100,000 worth of inventory. Once you play with those filters, and they're very simple, I'll show you how to do this. You would go to minimum amount of units sold, and you would put 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or you would go to the minimum amount of revenue and you'd put 100,000 per month, right? These are the easy ways to find this. You could also go to the search phrase and search term and just type in competitive search terms inside of Amazon and use the Chrome extension. So yoga mat, supplements, dog supplements, things that you know are gonna be super saturated, batteries, and they're pretty simple. If you think about it, you could pretty much come up with a long list of some to search. So that's two different ways to search. Once you find these using the Chrome extension or using the web-based extension, you want to look at the revenue. When you find a high amount of sales, a high amount of revenue, then you want to go into this person's store. You want to go into the company store and you want to look at all of the different products that they're selling. Now, I'll give you a quick example. If you go to Amazon and you actually click on product, and I'll just do this quickly, yoga mat. You click on the product. Let's look for one with a ton of reviews. There we go, 80,000 reviews. Oh, this is Amazon Basics. Let's skip Amazon Basics. Here goes another one, 34,000 reviews. Never heard of them before. Guy AM. Have you ever heard of Guy AM or GAIAM? Never heard of them. They have 35,000 reviews or ratings on one product, which means I can already tell you they're making 6, if not 7 figures from this product. In fact, let me go ahead and log in, and I'll tell you exactly what this one product that we just randomly found is generating. All right, so it's populating numbers, and here you go. Per my assumption, it is correct. This average revenue per month is $250,000. They are making around $2.5 to $3 million per year with one product. And I mean, you guessed it, this is why we say you're one product away. But you're not gonna have the appetite for this, because if they're selling 11,000 units per month, and let's just say that the product costs $5 shipped to get here, $60,000 per month in inventory. A lot of you guys don't have that. So what we wanna do is we wanna go here, we wanna choose the actual store, visit the Guyam store, and once we go to this Guyam, we can actually pull the Chrome extension, clicking this button in the top right-hand corner. All right, so it's glitching out here, but once you populate the Chrome extension, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on reviews and you're gonna click the review button. Now, when you click any of the tabs or the buttons up top in the Chrome extension, it's going to repopulate from ascending to descending or descending to ascending order. What you wanna do is you wanna populate from descending to ascending, meaning from the least amount of reviews to the highest amount of reviews. Now, why are we doing this? Because if we can find products that have the lowest amount of reviews with the highest amount of revenue, that means they just launched it. Now, if they're running another product that's doing $2.5 million per year, chances are they know a thing or two about Amazon and about developing and building out brands. Another thing that you can do is, instead of populating ascending to descending order for reviews, you can go over to the Date First Sold tab, which is a new feature that they allow, and you can click on Date First Sold tab, and you can populate it from the first date to the current date, which is today, and it's gonna show you all of the products that have recently been listed and that are selling. And then the same thing, you populate the revenue tab and you're looking for the most recently listed products with the highest amount of revenue, and there you have it. That's a new product that they just launched that's absolutely crushing it. So if you're getting value so far on the channel, guys, and you've gotten any value whatsoever, smash that like button, comment the one that's your favorite down below, whether it's 1 through 5. We've already went through 2. I've got 3 more killers for you guys, but comment which one is your favorite and which one you didn't know about or which one you plan on using. And if you're new or returning to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell next to it, and make sure that you show up every single week, because every Friday we drop a new video in our 7-figure product series. This is a YouTube exclusive series where we are going behind the scenes and ordering the physical products that are doing over 7 figures net profit per year. That's right. Me and my team do the research. We show you how to find these products. We show you how to compete with these products. We literally order the products and review them live here in my studio. So you want to make sure that you check that out. Now, moving on to number 3, this is gonna be scanning TikTok for products that are viral. Right now, when it comes to video, TikTok is dominant, and when it comes to e-commerce, TikTok is absolutely crushing it. So heading over to TikTok, I'm gonna give you one hack that you can use, and there's tons of these. If you go to TikTok and you type in Amazon finds in the search bar, here you can say it's gonna populate all of these Amazon associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program. So what are Amazon associates or Amazon affiliates? Amazon associates are people who create content to promote popular products that sell a lot, and if you buy the product via their link, they make a small commission. This is how you can make money partnering with Amazon with no money out of pocket if you like creating content. However, what we're looking for is somebody with a lot of followers with great engagement. So the first one is Ariella, and she has 161,000 followers. So we're gonna go ahead and click on her page. She has 1.9 million likes. Now, if you scroll down, you're gonna see nothing but Amazon products. Now, the first thing that you wanna do, and again, if you don't have the time to do this and you wanna delegate and automate, you can hire a VA at onlinejobs.ph for anywhere between $2 to $5 per hour to do data entry and to do this product research for you. However, if you don't have that budget because you're starting out or you're limited in terms of your resources and you want to become resourceful, all you have to do is have an Excel sheet or a piece of paper or something to take notes with, and you can start scrolling through these influencers' pages and writing down all the products that they are showing you, all of these products, right? Now let's just go ahead and click on one. I've never seen this product.
This microwave cooker comes with everything you need to
a microwave cooker. I've never seen this product whatsoever. We're gonna head over to Amazon and we're gonna type in microwave cooker. Never heard of this product ever before, never even seen this product ever before, but let's go ahead and pull the Chrome extension. If we pull the Chrome extension, we can see that on average, the microwave cooker is generating $70,000 per month at 30% profit margins. That's $7,000, $14,000, $21,000 net profit, almost $250,000 net profit per year with one product. And I did this in 30 seconds. Imagine what you did if you took all the resources and everything I teach you for free on this channel, or next level in next depth level in the AMZ formula curriculum, and you applied it. Success is simple if you know how to find the resources, and if you have the competence, you then have the confidence, and if you apply the competence and the confidence and you do not stop, that is the true recipe for success. Because there's only two ways that you can fail, not starting or giving up. If you start and you have the confidence to start and you have the competence to not give up, the endurance, right? You have the patience, persistence, and resilience that we talk about here in the channel, the 3 pillars of success. It's a matter of time until you find products, right? So this is another hack that is absolutely crushing it that I like right now. Now, leading into number 4, and comment down below like which one of these you like and which one you want to use, because these are some heat that I don't really see too many people talking about. Number 4 is going to be using Alibaba. Now you're like, Josh, well, Alibaba is where we go to find suppliers. Why am I doing product research on Alibaba? How do I even do product research on Alibaba? And that is a good question that I'm gonna answer right now. So we're gonna head over to Alibaba. Once we head over to Alibaba, there's a few different areas that I want you to pay attention to, all right? All right, there we go. It's just taking its sweet time. We don't wanna look at new arrivals. What we wanna look at is top ranking right here in the middle, number 1. And then if we go all the way down here, let me see. Okay, cool. Now, if you go to, when you go under my markets, you can see all the different categories and subcategories. So what you can do is you can go under the categories and subcategories, and every single product that is on here, it is listed on here. And let me make this bigger so you guys can see. It is listed on here because it is being searched or bought a lot. Because there's tons more products than the 5 that are listed under hygiene products. Under hygiene products, we have wet wipes. In fact, I don't have it laying around, but we just did a video for 7-Figure Product Series on Dude Wipes. This is a company that exclusively started with one product, which is selling wet wipes geared towards a single demographic of men. And guess what? Mark Cuban acquired 25% equity for $300,000 for this startup, for these guys that have never owned a brand who went on Shark Tank because of one product. Starting to get where we got this slogan from? You're literally one product away, and here you go, you can see wet wipes shows up. And I can almost guarantee you if I click on wet wipes, we're probably gonna find something that looks similar to Dude Wipes. A lot of these look similar to Dude Wipes. Why? Because they're probably sourcing it from a manufacturer that is simple, but here's all these different products that we can find. So you can go in all of these categories, look at all these subcategories, and then again, you want to take notes, note takers or money makers, of all these subcategorical areas that you can search for product research. Again, you can go hire a virtual assistant on onlinejobs.ph for $2 to $5 an hour and do the data entry for you, and you'll have hundreds of products that you can then go into the Jungle Scout extension or whatever extension you're using and do your due diligence. The other one, I'll give you one more, as I previously mentioned, is top ranking. If I choose on top ranking, this is gonna show you best reviewed, hot selling, and most popular. These are 3 different areas on the platform that is going to show you products that they sell a ton of, or that is being searched a ton of. And if it's being searched for a ton of, and it's selling a ton of products, what do you think it's doing on Amazon if this is where you go to find the product suppliers? Bingo, it's selling a ton of products. So now you have most popular, you have best reviewed, you have hot selling. These all have dozens, if not hundreds of product ideas. And then you have all the subcategory or the categorical sections that you can then do data entry on and then reverse engineer all the product research for all of those products. You now, in less than 60 seconds, have hundreds of categories to do product research for. You guys picking up what I'm putting down? If so, smash that like button. And again, don't forget to let me know down below in the comments which number you can't wait to try out 1 through 5. Now, number 5, one of my personal favorites and one of the newest strategies that are out there, and that is using robots. You guessed it, that's using artificial intelligence or AI. Now, the ones that I have become obsessed with, and there's tons of these out here, is ChatGPT. I've been doing the machine learning on my ChatGPT and my OpenAI for literally months. Here you can see there's hundreds of conversations that go deep and deep and deep. So I've become obsessed with artificial intelligence. I'll give you a few quick tips before we get into how to use this. Tip number one, train your artificial intelligence. This is called machine learning. You want to show it results similar to the answers that you want. You want to give it guidance on context as to what is your mission, what is your vision, what type of business do you have, how do you want your business to be portrayed. If you already have a brand or you have a blog or you have social media, take that content, upload it and feed it. That way the machine can learn and it can optimize and refine. Then when you go to ask it things, you want to give it prompts, very specific prompts, okay? The more specific you are, the better results that you will get. So here I can give it a few examples. Act as a product research and development expert in the e-commerce space and give me a list of 12 categories that you suggest doing research in. Okay, now what it's gonna do within seconds, it's gonna give me not one, but 12, because that's the specific prompt that I gave it, different categories that you could look into. Here you can see smart home and devices, health and wellness, sustainable products, pet supplies, outdoor and adventures, and the list goes on. Now, I'm gonna take this a little bit deeper and we're gonna do a little bit more of a deep dive. Once you find these categories, I can then, and I'm just gonna choose this random one right here, fashion and accessories. You can copy this, paste this, and say, give me 10 subcategories in that I could develop a physical product to sell on Amazon. And now what it's gonna do is it's gonna do a refined search and it's gonna give me 10 products that are inside of that subcategory. So, okay, we have a ton of categories and I like these 3. Give me subcategories in these 3, and then we can refine them. Once we find subcategories, I'm gonna choose one. Women's shoes, sunglasses, jewelry. I'm just gonna choose jewelry. And then I'm gonna copy and paste this again. And what this is refining and refining and refining and optimizing as we go. And I'm gonna say, give me 3 product ideas for a new brand and a series of products in the jewelry niche that I could sell on Amazon. And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and give you these 3 product ideas for a new brand and a series of products in the jewelry niche that you can sell on Amazon. Number 1 is personalized birthstone necklaces. Number 2 is boho inspired stackable rings. Number 3 is minimalist geometric earrings. So do you see how we get refined and we get refined and we get the data, and then you take the data and then you plug it into Jungle Scout and it will give you real world data in terms of what is working on Amazon today. And then you have to see, has it been working, is it working, and then use your due diligence and make data-driven decisions as to, will it continue to work? And that, my friends, is 5 hacks that are not being talked about, 5 new strategies and tactics to help you find your first or your next product on Amazon. If you're new or returning to the channel and that red button doesn't say subscribed, do me a favor really quick and hit that red subscribe button. Click the notification bell next to it. That way you're notified every week when we drop new content, and smash that like if you got value, which I knew you got value because you're still here and we actually teach here on this channel and don't sell anything. So I appreciate you guys, and remember, you're only one product away.